Let us move to the next topic, excretion. Biochemical reactions constantly occur in the cells of a living organism. However, these reactions produce not only the required substances but also produce several unwanted harmful products like urea, uric acid, ammonia, etc. These products, if allowed to accumulate or remain in the body for longer period, may cause serious damage, sometimes leading to death. Therefore, these unwanted and harmful waste products need to be eliminated from the body. Different organisms employ different strategies for this. Let us study about excretion in human beings. The excretory system, figure 10.19, in human beings includes a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. Kidneys remove the waste products from the blood and from urine. Kidneys are two bean-shaped structures located at the back of the abdomen, one on either side of the vertebral column. The basic filtration unit in the kidney is a cluster of thin-walled blood capillaries called as a nephron. Each nephron has a cup-shaped thin-walled upper end called Bowman's capsule, which contains a bundle of blood capillaries called glomerulus. Urea formed in the liver enters the blood. When blood containing urea enters the glomerulus, it gets filtered through glomerular capillaries. The selectively permeable wall of the Bowman's capsule allows the water molecules and small molecules of other substances to pass through them and forms glomerular filtrate. The blood free from these materials is taken to the heart through the renal vein. The glomerular filtrate collected in the Bowman's capsule further passes through the nephron tubule where reabsorption of water and useful molecules takes place. The remaining fluid containing the waste forms the urine, which eventually enters a long tube called the ureter. It is further stored in the urinary bladder and from there it is thrown out through the urethra. As the bladder is muscular, it is under the control of the nerves. As a result, we can usually control the urge to urinate. Though the kidneys are the major excretory organs in a human being, the skin and the lungs also help in the process of excretion. Students, do you know right kidney is placed slightly lower than left kidney because liver is placed on the right side. Each kidney has approximately 1 million nephrons. An average person has around 5 liters of blood which the kidneys filter about 400 times in a day. Kidneys filter out about 190 liters of filtrate daily to produce 1 to 1.9 liters of urine. Rest is reabsorbed. Let us study about hemodialysis. Many factors like injury, infections or restricted blood flow to kidneys reduce the activity of kidneys. This leads to accumulation of poisonous wastes in the body which may lead to death. In case of kidney failure, an artificial device is used to remove the nitrogenous waste products from the blood. This process is called dialysis. At one time, 500 ml of blood is passed through the dialyzing machine. The purified blood is pumped back into the body of the patient. Now let's move to the topic excretion in plants. Excretion in plants is much simpler than that of animals. No definite excretory system or organ is present in plants for removal of wastes. Gaseous excretory materials are eliminated by diffusion. Many plant waste products are stored in the vacuoles of the leaves, flowers, fruits, and even in the bark that fall off. Other waste products are stored as resins and gum in old xylem. Plants also excrete some waste substance into the soil around them. In some plants, waste is in the form of calcium oxalate crystals called as raphides. These are needle-shaped and therefore hurt and cause itching. Some plant wastes are very useful to human beings. Example, rubber latex, gum, resins and essential oils like eucalyptus or sandalwood oil.